Ciao fellow handheld enthusiasts and welcome! Today we are checking out ports on the Miyoo Mini Plus. What? There are ports even there? Yes there are, so let's check them out. These ports are only available if you install custom Onion OS, not on the stock firmware, so please keep that in mind. Ports collection in Onion version 4.2 has been completely redone and it now includes 61 game ports. You can get all the necessary files, except copyrighted material, from the GitHub link. There are 24 full free ports included, and for 37 ports you gotta provide your own game files. If you are a fan of Zealous Chuck, I'm sure you know how ports work, and here it's basically the same thing. I even used game files from my PS Vita and they work like a charm, no issues. If you wanna play ports on your Miyoo Mini Plus, first you gotta enable ports collection in apps/package manager/verified, then download the zip files from GitHub. You want to preferably get the all-in-one package, then extract, copy, paste to the root of your SD card and merge the folders. For the ports without game files, for every individual game there is a required files.txt inside its folder where it is all explained what exactly do you need and how the folder structure looks like. I believe you can even add your own port if you are skilled enough. Now let's check the ports. There are all the staples available like Blood, Shadow Warrior, Redneck Rampage, Exhumed, Diablo, Doom, Duke Nukem, Quake, Wolfenstein, majority of them even with DLCs or mission packs or extension packs or whatever it was called. Then there is also Outrun, Super Mario 64, Flashback. For all of this you gotta provide your own game files, cause you know piracy, and I'm sure you're all gonna obtain it by legal means, cause you are law-abiding citizens. There is an old control scheme used, left and R triggers for strafe, cause there are no joysticks in here, which is a bit shame cause you know the triggers leaves a lot to be desired, so it's a bit more tricky to kill somebody. As you may know, many of these games were ported to PS1, so you can play it even in the PS1 form. However, these ports are always with all the bells and whistles, enhanced with more features, and I'm sure that's what many of you are after. Then there are the ports included for free, like Open Tyrion, Hydra Castle Labyrinth, Streets of Rage Remake, Spikes, Cave Story, Rick Dangerous. For some of the free games I got just a black screen, but I could hear the audio in the background so it was running, not sure why there was just a black screen. Overall I was very impressed to see this, cause you know me, when I see ports my eyes light up like beacons and I wanna catch them all. Yeah, the controls are a bit messed up with first-person shooters, but all in all, very positive experience that helped me to get closer to tranquility. Absolutely recommend it. I've also decided to change the name of the channel to Son of a Handheld from Son of a Deck, cause I feel that's more fitting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handheld content. Thanks for your time, peace out. Oh. Kakara öğretmenim.